Dear girls, today I will discuss about some other identities, that is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab. The proof is given here. X plus a into x plus b equal to x into x plus b plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. X square plus bx plus ax plus ab equal to x square plus, if we get x as the common factor from these two terms, we will get a plus b whole into x plus b. Next, the identity is a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We have a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. All of we know about this formula or about this identity. If we subtract 2ab from the identity in both sides, from both sides, if we subtract 2ab from both sides of the identity, we will get a plus b whole square minus 2ab equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab. Plus 2ab and minus 2ab will be discarded, then we will get a square plus b square. That is a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is the formula. The next formula or the identity is a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. We have a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. All of you know this formula. If we add 2ab to both sides of this identity, then we will get a minus b whole square plus 2ab equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab. Minus 2ab plus 2ab will be discarded, and after that we will get a square plus b square. Therefore, the formula is a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. The next identity is a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. The proof is given here. We have a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4ab. Minus 2ab plus 4ab equal to plus 2ab, and here plus 2ab is present. Therefore, this equal to all the three terms together is the formula of a minus b whole square. Therefore, in the place of a square plus b square minus 2ab, we may write a minus b whole square. And the last term, that is the remaining term, is written here plus 4ab. Therefore, the formula is a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. The next identity is a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. How it can be possible? We already know that a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. Plus 2ab minus 4ab means minus 2ab, and all the three terms a square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula of a plus b whole square. Therefore, in place of a square plus b square plus 2ab, we may write a plus b whole square and then minus 4ab. Therefore, this is the formula, and all these formulae are called identities. Now, let us work out 12.2. Using the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b whole into x plus ab, let us find the product of the following algebraic expressions. We have to use this formula to find the product of the value of the expressions. X minus 8 into x minus 2 equal to, then using this formula we may write x square plus a plus b whole into x. Here in the place of a, minus 8 is present and b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, a plus b means minus 8 plus minus 2 whole into x plus AB means minus 8 into minus 2, since A is equal to minus 8 and B is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the value is x square plus minus 8 plus minus 10 equal to minus 10 into x plus minus 8 into minus 2. Minus into minus is equal to plus, and 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Therefore, the required result is x square minus 10x plus 16. Next, problem number 5. xy minus 4 whole into xy plus 2 equal to, using this formula, here in the place of x, xy is written, and in the place of a, minus 4 is written, in the place of b, here plus 2 is written. Therefore, using the formula, you may write xy whole square plus minus 4 plus 2 into xy plus AB means minus 4 into 2. Therefore, after simplification, we get x square y square minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2, and plus into minus 2, that is minus 2 xy plus minus 4 into 2 is equal to minus 8. Next, problem number 6. A square plus 5 into a square minus 4. Here in the place of x, a square is given, and in the place of a, plus 5, and in the place of b, minus 4 is given. Therefore, this equal to a square whole square plus a plus b whole into x, that is 5 plus minus 4 whole into a square plus ab means 5 into minus 4 equal to, after simplification, we get a to the power 4 plus 5 plus minus 4, that is 1 into a square, which is equal to a square, and plus 5 into minus 4 is equal to minus 20. This is the required result. Next, using formula, let us show that all the expressions are given, all the algebraic relations are given, and we have to prove this formula. These relations are true. Here, we see that in the left, here is a left hand side and a right hand side is given. The term before the equal sign is called left hand side, and the term or the algebraic expression after the equal sign is called right hand side. The term or the algebraic expression before the equal sign is called left hand side, and the algebraic expression after the equal sign is called right hand side, and you have to prove the left hand side equal to right hand side. See the solution. 2, 1. Left hand side equal to 2x plus 3y whole square minus 2x minus 3y whole square. This equal to 4 into 2x into 3y, using the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Here in the place of a, 2x is given, and in the place of b, 3y is given. Therefore, using this formula, we may write this equal to 4 into a into b, that is 4 into 2x into 3y equal to 4 into 2, that is 8, 8 into 3, that is 24xy. This equal to right hand side. Here the relation this is given and it is proved. Next, problem number 2. Here left hand side equal to a plus 2b whole square plus a minus 2b whole square. Therefore, using the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square, we may write this equal to 2 into a square plus, in the place of b, here 2b is written, therefore 2b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus 4b square, and this is equal to right hand side. Next, problem number 5. 3m plus 4n whole square, and we have to prove that this is equal to 3m minus 4n whole square plus 48mn. Now we know that a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Therefore, using this identity, we may write 3m minus 4n whole square plus 4 into 3m into 4n. Here in the place of a, 3m is given, and in the place of b, 4n is given. Or in this formula, we may substitute a by 3m and b by 4n. This is equal to 3a minus 4n whole square plus 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 into 4 is equal to 48 mn. This is equal to right hand side. Problem number 7. Left hand side equal to 3a minus 4b whole square plus 24ab. This equal to, then using the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square, we may write this equal to 3a minus 4b whole square plus 24ab may be written in the form of 2 into 3a into 4b. 2 into 3a into 4b is written in place of 24ab, so that we may use the formula this: a minus b whole square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square plus 2ab. Here we substitute a by 3a and b by 4b. Then using the formula we may write this equal to a plus b. This is equal to a square plus b square, that is equal to 3a whole square plus 4b whole square equal to 9a square plus 16b square, and is equal to right hand side. Next, problem number 8. Left hand side equal to 2a plus 1 by a whole square, and we have to prove that this is equal to 2a minus 1 by a whole square plus 8. Therefore, we have to use the formula a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is equal to 2a minus 1 by a whole square plus 4 into 2a into 1 by a. That is, in this formula we substitute a by 2a and b by 1 by a, and then we will get the formula as 2a minus 1 by a whole square plus 4 into 2a into 1 by a. After discarding a into 1 by a, we will get 2a minus 1 by a whole square plus 8, that is the right hand side. This equal to right hand side. Next, problem 3. Using formula, let us solve each of the following problems. Using formula. Here, the problem number 2 is given here. Let us find the value of AB when a square plus b square equal to 52, a minus b equal to 2. And the solution is given here. A minus b equal to 2 and a square plus b square equal to 52. Therefore, we have to use the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A square plus b square, in the place of a square plus b square, we have to use the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Remember that a square plus b square, the formula of a square plus b square is a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and also a plus b whole square minus 2ab. But since here a minus b is given, so we have to use the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab, not the formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So in place of a square plus b square, we write a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Or a minus b means 2, that is 2 square plus 2ab equal to 52. Or 4 plus 2ab equal to 52. Or 2ab equal to 52 minus 4. If 4 is written on the right hand side of the equal sign, then its sign will be changed. Here 4 is given, that is plus 4. And if we write the 4 on the right hand side of the equal sign, then it will be minus 4. Therefore, 2ab equal to 48 and ab equal to 48 by 2. Since 2ab means 2 into ab, and if we write 2 on the right hand side of the equal sign, then we must have divided 48 by 2. We have to divide 48 by 2. Therefore, ab equal to 24. This is the required result. Next, problem number 4. Let us find the value of a square plus 1 by a square when a plus 1 by a equal to 4. See that a plus 1 by a equal to 4. Therefore, a square plus 1 by a square equal to a square plus 1 by a whole square equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. See that the formula of a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Since the value of a plus b is given here, we have to use the formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab, not the formula a minus a whole square plus 2ab, since the value of this a plus b is given. Here in the place of b, 1 by a is given. In the place of b, 1 by a is given. Therefore, using the value of a plus 1 by a, or putting the value, we may write this equal to 4 square minus 2, since a into 1 by a is discarded and it is the value 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. Therefore, equal to 16 minus 2 equal to 14. The next problem. The next problem is problem number 7. Next problem is, if 2x plus 1 by x equal to 5, let us find the value of 4x square plus 1 by x square. Here 2x plus 1 by x equal to 5, therefore 4x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2x whole square plus 1 by x whole square equal to 2x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 by x. We use the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is equal to 5 square minus 2 into 2, that is 4, equal to 25 minus 4 equal to 21. Next, problem number 9. If x square plus y square equal to 4xy, let us prove that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equal to 14x square y square. See that x square plus y square equal to 4xy is given. Now, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equal to x square whole square plus y square whole square equal to x square plus y square whole square minus 2 into x square y square. That is, we use the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here we use the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And in this formula, we substitute a by x square and b by y square. Then we get the relation as this. Therefore, after putting x square plus y square equal to 4xy, we get this equal to 4xy whole square minus 2x square y square equal to 4xy whole square means 4xy into 4xy, that is 16x square y square minus 2x square y square equal to 14x square y square. Next, problem number 11. What is given there? If f5a plus 1 by 7a equal to 5, then let us find the value of 25a square plus 1 by 49a square. This is given. Now 25a square plus 1 by 49a square equal to 5a whole square plus 1 by 7a whole square equal to 5a plus 1 by 7a whole square minus 2 into 5a into 1 by 7a. Using the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here we substitute a by 5a and b by 1 by 7a. Then we get the line this. This equal to, putting the value of 5a plus 1 by 7a as 5, we get 5 square minus 2 into 5, that is 10 by 7 equal to 25 minus 10 by 7. Then after simplification we get by 7 175 minus 10, 25 into 7, that is 175 minus 10 equal to 165 by 7. The rough work is given here. 165 is divided by 7, then we get 23 full and 4 by 7. The next problem is problem 12. If 2x minus 1 by x equal to 4, let us show that x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 5. This equal to 5. 2x minus 1 by x equal to 4. So that we see that here x square is present. But if we square 2x, then we get 2x whole square means 4x square. But here 4x square is not present. So we have to solve the problem in a in a different manner or different way, so that 2x minus 1 by x equal to 4. Therefore, if we take 2 as common, then 2 into x minus 1 by 2x equal to 4, that is x minus 1 by 2x equal to 4 by 2. Since 2, if we give 2 on the right hand side of the equal sign, then we will get x minus 1 by 2x equal to 4 by 2. That is x minus 1 by 2x equal to 2. Now x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to x square plus 1 by 2x whole square. Since here a minus b is given, so we have to use the formula of a square plus b square as a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Here a minus b is given, so we have to use the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Therefore, after discarding 2 by 2 into 1 by 2 and x into 1 by x, we get this value is 1. Therefore, this equal to 2 square plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Next, see the problem. 6x square minus 1 equal to 4x, and we have to show that 36x square plus 1 by x square equal to 28. 6x square minus 1 equal to 4x. If we divide both sides of the relation by x, then we will get 6x square minus 1 by x equal to 4x by x. That is 6x square by x means 6x minus 1 by x equal to 4. Now 36x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6x whole square plus 1 by x whole square equal to, using the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab, since the value of a minus b is given, therefore after putting the value of 6x minus 1 by x equal to 4, we get 4 square plus 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 16 plus 2 equal to 28. Next, problem number 16. If m minus 1 by m equal to p minus 2, here a correction is made. I have made a correction. M minus 1 by m, instead of m minus 1 by m, I write here m plus 1 by m. You all must see the correction and correct the problem as m plus 1 by m equal to p minus 2. Therefore, we have to show that m square plus 1 by m square equal to p square minus 4p plus 2. Here m plus 1 by m equal to p minus 2. Therefore, m square plus 1 by m square equal to m plus 1 by m whole square minus 2 into m into 1 by m. Since the value of a plus b is given, we have to use the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is, in place of m plus 1 by m, we put p minus 2 and get p minus 2 whole square minus 2. This is equal to, after expanding the term, we get p square minus 4p plus 4 minus 2 equal to p square minus 4p plus 2. That is the right hand side. Next, problem 17. If m minus 1 by m minus 2 equal to 6, then let us find the value of m minus 2 whole square plus 1 by m minus 2 whole square. Since here m minus 2 is written, therefore we have to subtract 2 from the above relation. We have to subtract 2 from both sides of the above relation. Therefore, m minus 1 by m minus 2 equal to 6, and m minus 2 minus 1 by m minus 2 equal to 6 minus 2, or m minus 2 minus 1 by m minus 2 equal to 4. Therefore, m minus 2 whole square plus 1 by m minus 2 whole square equal to m minus 2 minus 1 by m minus 2 whole square plus 2 into m minus 2 into 1 by m minus 2. See that here a square plus b square, we use the formula a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Here we substitute a by m minus 2 and b by 1 by m minus 2. Then we can write the line as this equal to, and the value is this equal to 4 square plus 2. Since m minus 2 and 1 minus m minus 2 will be discarded, this equal to 4 square plus 2 is equal to 16 plus 2 equal to 18. Therefore, all the problems are solved, and the remaining problems you must do all the remaining problems.